Welcome back, folks. Hope you enjoyed this latest compilation.
Solo tengo soledad, ya no puedo ver, aunque yo pensé al grande touching hell. Yeah, so Lisa's in it a bit more. I can't remember if they have some more trouble with pigs or they're having success with pigs. Oh, that was a good one. Nearly got him.
Got who?
Oh, he was coming round and he just pulled out in front of him. Right.
What the f***? I don't know what she was thinking. Okay.
Oh my God. Wow.
The video.
Dude, where are you going? You're right in the crosswalk, buddy. What are you doing? The light's still red, by the way. Where do you think you're going?
Whether it's an epic pool party, or that road trip you've always dreamed of,
Fucking people.
whether it's the barbecue taking over your backyard, or the crackle of 4th of July fireworks, the one sound that's there for every summer moment, the sound of an ice-cold Coca-Cola. Grab a Coca-Cola and enjoy summer. Tap the banner to learn more.
down there, Ram. They literally saw me.
Yeah.
It's...
Okay, Garmin.
Okay. Wow. That's parrot head stuff. Well, different views politically, and yeah, I need to. We said very anti.
Should have cracked up at that Asian joke, I bet.
Yeah.
The Los Angeles Fire Department.
Oh!
Fires. Thank you, Alan. More on Beyonce.
The heck?
Yeah, well that's why, because that guy flashed him out.
Oh, he didn't.
Thanks for watching and have a great day.